Right, so what I ought to be doing today is taking this glove box out, because behind it is the pollen filter, so I need to get that out. Brilliant. But yeah, we're going to take that off. It's pretty simple and easy to do. So in this box here, I've got a new pollen filter. Got that from Discount MG Rover spares. So yeah, they do some brilliant stuff over there, so I highly recommend if you've got any sort of Rover product. If you need a part or whatever, they do some very good spares indeed. Right, so to get this glove box out, there's two 8mm bolts underneath here I have to take out. So what I'll do is I'll take them out now. There's number two. Right, that was more awkward than I thought. Right, now, just let it off and it should just, there we are, slide down like that. Okay, so I'll just put that to one side for now. And as you can see, we've got our, this here is for the heater. So when your heater goes, it only works on 3 and 4. You have to replace this here. Now, I did this a while back, so I don't need to do it now. But I do need to replace this, which is the pollen filter. So now we need to take off this silver bracket, which I believe 7mm. We're just going to spin in the socket as well. Yeah, they are, right. There's one off, and there's two on the other side. Oh no, there isn't. You don't have to take that one, you can just take this one off here. Never mind, ignore me. There's that one there. Yeah, so there's just two 7mm bolts, and this bracket should just come off nice and easy like that. There we are. Let's put that to one side. So now we've got a nice clear access to this pollen filter, which looks very stuck in with some very gooey adhesive. Right, so to get this out, there's a little tab that you have to pull at the back here, like that. There you are. And that cover comes off, like that. And then you've got your pollen filter that's in here. Oh yeah, look at that, lovely. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but that's all the stuff that gets clogged up. Look at all that. So we're getting a new one, because we don't really, I don't think that's very useful anymore, let's be honest. Brill. So we've got the new one here. This slides in. There we go. Sorry if you didn't see much there of my head in the way, but yeah, it's in now. Right, so all we need to do now is put this bracket back on. It should sit like that. It should sit this way, because there's two little things that sits into them grooves. You can probably tell on the end there. So they're sitting like that. Improve them more. There they are. Nice and lovely, lovely jubbly. Lovely, done. Oh, well, that was a very unorganised and unplanned video, to be honest with you. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. And yeah, be sure to always change your pollen filters, otherwise you'll get horrible crap in them like this. Ugh. Anyway, take care, and yeah, hopefully we can resume back to normal videos when the weather gets nicer next week. It's going to be 10 degrees next week. Can't bloody wait. We can get this bloody car sorted out once and for all. Thanks for watching, and yeah, take care.